Every time you turn your key or push that start button, you're trusting a complex machine to keep your family safe and your bank account intact. But there are silent errors, simple oversights in how you handle your vehicle that are quietly shaving years off your engine's life and hundreds off your resale value. Most drivers simply react when a warning light comes on, but the smartest owners know how to listen to the car before the breakdown happens. Today, we're breaking down 13 essential vehicle secrets that protect your investment, from a hidden emergency entry method to a 10-second fix for a staggering transmission bill. And stick around for the final tip, because a tiny detail on your steering wheel might just be the most important safety feature you've never used. Secret number 13. Transmission reset trick. If you've noticed your car hesitating between gears or felt a sudden clunk when accelerating onto the highway, your first instinct might be a pit of dread in your stomach. Transmission swaps can easily exceed $5,000. But before you call the tow truck, try recalibrating the brain of your gearbox. With the ignition off, depress the accelerator completely to the floor and hold it firmly for 15 seconds. Release, then start your engine. This process forces the transmission control module, or TCM, to wipe its adaptive memory. Over time, your car learns your driving habits, but heavy traffic or aggressive city driving can teach it bad shift points. By resetting it, you're giving the computer a fresh slate to find the smoothest shift patterns again. It won't fix a snapped belt or a burnt clutch, but for electronic shift shock, it's a zero-cost miracle that could save your weekend and your wallet. Secret number 12, blind spot monitoring. Modern safety tech is only as good as the driver who understands it. Your blind spot monitoring system isn't just a luxury, it's a high-frequency radar shield. Most drivers treat the little amber light in the side mirror as a suggestion, but it's actually your primary defense against the invisible vehicle. When that light is active, it means a car is positioned in the exact zone where your peripheral vision and your mirrors fail. If you ignore that light and flip your turn signal, many modern systems will provide an audible chirp or even a vibration in the steering wheel. This isn't the car being annoying, it's preventing a high-speed pit maneuver. Trust the sensors, but remember they're an assistant, not a replacement for a quick shoulder check. Using this tech correctly reduces lane change anxiety by nearly 80%, keeping you and your passengers in the clear. Secret number 11, gas cap trick to quickly find your fuel tank. We've all been there, pulling into a crowded petrol station in a rental car or a new purchase, only to realize we have no idea which side the pump is on. You end up stretching the hose across the trunk or performing an awkward U-turn. You don't need to get out and look. Just glance at your dashboard's fuel gauge. Next to the icon of the fuel pump, you'll see a tiny triangular arrow. If that arrow points to the right, your filler neck is on the passenger side. If it points left, it's on the driver's side. It's a universal design standard that most people stare at for decades without ever seeing. Knowing this simple detail saves you that momentary flash of frustration every time you switch vehicles. Secret number 10, starting the car with a dead remote. The no key detected message is a nightmare, especially when you're in a dark parking lot or far from home. Most people assume a dead FIFA battery means they're stranded. However, your fob actually has two ways of communicating. The active system uses the battery to send signals across the parking lot, but there is an inductive backup system hidden inside. If your fob is dead, hold the plastic casing directly against the start-stop button while you press it with your finger. Your car sends a small burst of electromagnetic energy that wakes up a chip inside the fob even without a battery. It's the same technology used in tap-to-pay credit cards. Understanding this failsafe means you'll never need a locksmith just because a $3 battery gave up the ghost. Secret number 9, road condition indicators. Experience is the best teacher, but your car's external sensors are a close second. Many drivers ignore the chime when the temperature hits 37 degrees Fahrenheit or 3 degrees Celsius. That snowflake icon on your dash isn't just a weather report, it's a physics warning. Bridges and overpasses freeze much faster than the ground, and that specific temperature is where black ice begins to form in shadows. The sensor is usually located in the front bumper, away from engine heat, to give you the most accurate road surface estimate possible. When that light is on, it's a signal to increase your following distance immediately. In the world of vehicle longevity, the best way to make a car last is to keep it out of the body shop. Advanced tip number 8, adaptive cruise control. Standard cruise control is a relic of the past. If you're still tapping the brakes every time a truck pulls out in front of you, you aren't using your adaptive cruise control correctly. This system uses LiDAR or radar to lock on to the vehicle ahead. The real secret to vehicle longevity here is smoothness. ACC manages your throttle and braking much more precisely than the human foot, which reduces wear on your brake pads and keeps your engine in its most efficient RPM band. It can even bring you to a complete halt in stop-and-go traffic and resume once the car ahead moves. It turns a stressful commute into a managed process, preserving your brakes and your patience. Secret number 7, backup mechanical key. In an era of keyless entry, we've forgotten that physical locks still exist. If your car battery is completely flat, the electronic door poppers won't work. On the back or side of your key fob, there is a tiny sliding switch. Slide it and a mechanical metal key pulls out of the housing. Now look at your driver's side door handle. If you don't see a keyhole, look at the underside of the handle cap. There is usually a small notch where you can insert the tip of that key to pop off the plastic cover, revealing the hidden manual lock. This is your skeleton key for emergencies. It ensures you can always get to the hood release to jumpstart the battery no matter how dead the electronics are. Secret number 6, tire pressure monitoring system. The horseshoed exclamation point on your dash is often treated as a nuisance, but it's actually a direct link to your wallet. Since the early 2000s, TPMS has been standard because underinflated tires are the leading cause of high-speed blowouts. Beyond safety, consider the cost. A tire that is just 5 psi low increases rolling resistance, which can drop your fuel economy by 3%. Over a year of driving, that's $100 or more wasted at the pump. More importantly, low pressure causes the tire sidewalls to flex and overheat, leading to premature wear. When that light comes on, don't wait for the weekend. Air is free. New tires and wasted fuel are not. DIY headlight cleaning for better visibility. Oxidized, yellowed headlights aren't just an eyesore, they can reduce your night vision by up to 70%. You don't need a professional restoration kit or a power buffer to fix this. Believe it or not, standard white toothpaste, the gritty kind, not the gel, is a mild abrasive that works perfectly on polycarbonate plastic. Apply a liberal amount to a damp cloth and work it into the lens using firm circular motions. The grit in the paste sands away the oxidized outer layer. Rinse it off and you'll see a night and day difference. To make the fix last, apply a quick coat of car wax afterward to seal the pores of the plastic. It's a 5-minute bathroom cabinet hack that makes night driving significantly safer for older eyes. Secret number 4, side mirror defrosters. There is nothing more frustrating than a fogged-up side mirror when you're trying to merge into morning traffic. Most drivers reach out the window with a rag, but your car likely has a built-in heater for this. On your mirror adjustment knob, look for a symbol that looks like a rectangular window with 3 wavy arrows. Rotate the knob to that position. This activates a heating element behind the glass. In less than 2 minutes, frost, mist, and even raindrops will evaporate. It's a vital tool for maintaining 360-degree awareness without having to roll down your window in the freezing cold. Secret number 3, instantly defog your windshield. When your windshield fogs up instantly on a rainy day, it's a result of the temperature differential between your breath and the glass. The fastest way to clear it isn't just blasting the heat, you need to dehumidify the cabin. Turn on your AC, yes, even if the heat is on. The air conditioner compressor acts as a dehumidifier, pulling moisture out of the air before it hits the glass. If you want a preventative pro trick, clean the inside of your glass with a small amount of shaving cream, then buff it dry. The surfactants in the cream create a microscopic barrier that prevents water droplets from clinging to the surface. It's an old-school driver's trick that keeps your vision crystal clear in the worst conditions.